Installing your handheld showerhead. In addition to a user guide, the contents of your package includes the following components: your showerhead, the showerhead arm mounting bracket, a stainless steel hose, and 3 rubber washers. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: a small towel, an old toothbrush, and plumber's tape. Place a towel over the drain to catch anything that might fall. Remove your old showerhead by turning it counterclockwise. Clean the threads of the shower arm with an old toothbrush to remove any debris. Next, briefly turn on the water to flush out any buildup inside the pipe. Be sure to turn off the water completely before continuing. Next, wrap a few layers of plumber's tape around the shower arm threads clockwise to ensure a tight, leak-free seal. Make sure the screen washer is in place inside the bracket. Then, hand tighten the bracket onto the shower arm by rotating it clockwise. Insert a rubber washer into one end of the hose and connect that end to the bottom of the bracket. Again, be sure to hand tighten only. Next, place the remaining rubber washer into the other end of the hose and attach it to the Healthguard shower wand. Place the handheld wand onto the mounting bracket and make sure everything is snug. Be careful not to over-tighten. As a final step, turn the water back on and check for any leaks. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your handheld showerhead. How to clean your Healthguard showerhead. First, locate the Remove button on the side of the showerhead. The Healthguard faceplate has a built-in release button to unlock the plate. While holding the button, rotate the faceplate's alignment notch until it lines up with the Remove marking, and pull upward to lift off the faceplate. Rinse under warm water and flush out loose debris or mineral flakes. Use a soft toothbrush to gently clean nozzle openings and remove residue. Pat dry with a towel. Clean the inside and the outside of the spray face with warm, soapy water. Please note, do not use any abrasive or aggressive chemical cleaning products to clean your showerhead. To reattach the faceplate, align with the Healthguard wand, press the button, and rotate the notch to lock. Then release the button and check that the spray face is secure. For more information on this product or other bath products, visit amconservation.com.